In this video, I'm going to show you how to open plugins in Cakewalk. Now, if you want to install plugins, I do have a separate video on how to do this, so go watch that first. But if you simply want to open them inside Cakewalk, this is how you can do it. So you simply have to press either B on your keyboard to open this Explorer over here on the right, or you can go to Views and then click on Browser from over here. The same thing is going to open up. Then you want to click on this button at the top, which is the first one, and it says Browse for Plugins, Plugin Browser. Click on that, and over here you can see you have audio effects. Over here you have MIDI effects, and then you have, of course, the option to insert virtual instruments as well as some other things too, okay? So from here you can just go and, of course, find one, and you can just click and drag it on here, and that's how to essentially open the plugin, just like this. You can then find them inside FX over here, and that's really all you have to do. Now, that's the first way, but of course, if you just want to add them and open them inside your track, you could just go over here and click on the plus button. You can do insert, find the one you want, click on it, and it's gonna get added, and it's gonna get open just like this, and it's gonna get added to the entire track, okay? So that's how to open plugins in Cakewalk, super simple. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.